Hello everyone, welcome to Ramaila Padai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 6 Sequence and Series that was asked as question number 8 in SC 2080 Sudurpaschim Province, and the question says that there are 7 terms in the arithmetic sequence. The first term is 7 and the last term is minus 17. Okay. In A, if the first term of arithmetic sequence is A and third term is B, write the formula to find the mean. So mean is second term for this question, and we will find the mean as mean is equals to A plus B upon 2, because it is arithmetic. If it was geometric, then it will have become different formula. In B, find all arithmetic means of the sequence. So we sequence have 7 terms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is first term and this is last term, and we need to find all the means. That means m1, m2, m3, m4 and m5. In C, if 5 terms are added to that sequence, then calculate sum of terms of the new sequence. So number of terms will be 7 plus 5, because 5 terms are added, so it will be 12 terms in a sequence. And then to find the sum of all terms, we find S12, which is equals to n upon 2 A plus T12. Okay, and we will use the formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 D to find to find T12. Okay, is that so? Now we will do that. Okay, now let's move on to the solution. Given number of terms, that is n is equals to 7, first term, that is A, is equals to 7, last term L is equals to minus 17. Okay, this is what is given to us. Now moving on to A, find if first term of arithmetic sequence is A and third term is B, the formula to find the means. Okay, we will write if the first term of an arithmetic sequence is A and third term is B, the formula to find mean is mean, that will be m is equals to A plus B upon 2, and that mean will be second term. Okay, now moving on to B, find all the arithmetic means of the sequence. Let m1, m2, m3, m4 and m5 be first, second, third, fourth and fifth means respectively. Okay, now the sequence becomes, now the sequence can be written as, so how do you write that sequence? The sequence has 7 terms and there are 5 means. Okay, as we already know, if there are 7 terms, then mean will be 5, that is 7 minus 2, that is 5. Okay, so the sequence can be written as A, m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, and then L. Now using formula, why are we using formula? Because we don't know the value of D. Okay, so we will first use formula L is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Here we have 7 terms, so n is equals to 7, and we have L, value of L is minus 17, is equals to, we have A is equals to 7 plus n is so 7 minus 1 D, or minus 17 is equals to 7 plus 7D, or 7D is equals to minus 17 minus 7, or D is equals to minus 24. Is that so? 17 minus 7, 24. I think I made a mistake here. 7 minus 1 is 6. How come I write 6, 7? Let me just erase that. Okay, so 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6D, D is minus 24 upon 6, that is equals to minus 4. Okay, now m1, which is also the second term, is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. A is what? A is 7 plus n is 2, so 2 minus 1, and D times D is minus 4, and we will get 3. m2, which is T3, is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Let's write the value. 7 plus 3 minus 1 times minus 4, and that is equals to minus 1. m3, which is T4, is equals to A plus n minus 1 D, is equals to 7 plus 4 minus 1 times minus 4, and that is equals to minus 5. m4, which is equals to T5, is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Writing formula, 7 plus n is 5, so 5 minus 1 multiplied by minus 4 is equals to minus 9. And then m5 is equals to A plus n minus 1 D, is equals to, we have A is equals to 7 plus n is, I made a mistake here. That's not a mistake, which is equals to T6. You understand it? Okay, so 7 plus 6 minus 1 D, D is minus 4, and that is equals to minus 13. So these are the 5 arithmetic means of the sequence. Before I write that, I will just save this and save this so that I can write smoothly. Okay, now so 3 minus 1 minus 5 minus 9 and minus 13 are the arithmetic means of the sequence. This is the first question in 2080 series of Unit 6 sequence and series that have negative difference. We have question of ratio less than 1. However, we don't have question of negative difference, and we got that. Okay. So this is about solution of B. Now moving on to C. If 5 terms are added to the sequence, then calculate sum of terms of the new sequence. If 5 terms are added, the total number of terms now will be n is equals to 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Now sum of 12 terms, that is S12 is S12 is equals to n upon 2 a plus T12 is equals to n upon 2 a plus 12 minus 1 d is equals to n upon 2 2a plus 11 d is equals to n is equals to 12. So 12 by 2, a is equals to how much, 7 plus 11 times d is minus 4 is equals to 6, 7 to the 14 minus 44 is equals to 6 times minus 30, and that is equals to minus 180. Is that so? Yeah, that is so. The sum of the new sequence is minus 180. So this is about the solution of this question. If you have any confusion, please let me know down in the comment section below, and we will have a concept video after this video. So keep watching to our channel, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.